Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Former Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller holds nothing back in the premiere of her tribute documentary. The tribute film, titled Journey, Break Every Rule, took viewers on a journey from the roots in a rural Woodhall, St. Catherine, and also showcases personal aspects of her life, including her marriage to Errol Miller, while touching on the shocking loss in 2016 of the general elections to JLP's Andrew Holness. During the film, Mrs. Simpson-Miller paid tribute to renowned choreographer Professor Rex Nettleford. The viewing was held on Sunday at the Carib 5 Cinema. Director of the film, Lenny Little-White, was pleased to work with Mrs. Simpson-Miller on the project.
She didn't hold back anything. It was just a matter of being as editing for us to decide what to leave out, what to put in. We didn't want it to be longer than 1 hour for TV purposes. She's an easy lady to deal with, and trust me, very humble.
Portia Simpson-Miller, affectionately known as Mama P, was pleased with the outcome of the film. The film features a number of political leaders, including Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Opposition Leader Dr. Peter Phillips, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport Olivia Babsy-Grange, and former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, among others.
Very impressive. It is a good record of where she started, what she contributed along the way, and where she ended her journey of leadership.
The film features musical influences from Grammy Award-winning artist Shaggy, as well as Dr. Jimmy Cliff, Richie Stephens, Taurus Riley, and Pam Hall, among others.
Jimmy Cliff flew here from New York today and is on his way back to the airport. He had to go through Universal Records, same thing with Shaggy. So it's not an album you can go out and buy, but it's in the film, and all of them did it for free.
Dancehall DJ Spragga Benz recently teamed up with dancehall artists Sean Paul, Agent Sasko and Ching Ching for the remix of his track Differ. The remix features melodic sounds, with each artist bringing a different style and flavor paired with infectious, catchy lyrics. The track was produced by popular radio DJ Toddler T, who is known for working with artists like Arctic Monkeys, Skepta, Roots, Maneuver and Stefflon Don. Differ will also be featured on his upcoming album slated for release later this year. As the anticipation grows for Red Stripe Reggae Sumfest, the first official launch party for the event will be held in the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. This marks the first time that the Reggae Festival will have a launch in that soca and dancehall-loving Caribbean island. The Jamaica Galena Online article states that the Trinidad-based Caribbean Airlines has jumped on board as the presenting sponsor for the week-long festival, which gets underway on July 14. The Trinidad launch will take place on March 29, after which there will be a launch in New York on April 17. Montego Bay has their launch on May 15 and Kingston on June 2. Reggae artists Gen 9, Taurus Riley and Pro Today have already been confirmed for the festival Reggae Night. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.